To use your 12 lead EKG overlay that you got in the mail, let's go ahead and see if we can identify STEMI MI on the 12 lead. We're going to take our 12 lead, we're going to lay our overlay over it, and you can see it's bright and colorful. And we are going to identify the different walls of the left ventricle that are being affected. So we're going to start with the lateral wall, and the lateral wall is in pink. And so we're going to look at lead 1, AVL, and V5 and 6. Then we're going to look at the inferior wall, 2, 3, and AVF, and those are all in blue. And then we're going to go over and look at the septum. The interventricular septum is V1 and V2, and those are in the yellow. And then our true anterior leads are V3 and V4. And what are we looking for in those leads? We're looking for ST segment elevation, T wave changes, and the presence of new Q waves. So enjoy, and on the next one, we'll look at what type of MI this is.